Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about exit lag and ask, is it free? In order to do so, here we are at exitlag.com. And what you can see here at the top is that they are offering right now 50% off on 12 months for exit lag. Now, essentially, exit lag is not free. However, there is a free trial that you can take advantage of. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom on the main page, and you'll see here where it says free trial. And then here you can register and enjoy a 3-day trial of exit lag. If you're unfamiliar with exit lag, essentially, as you might expect, it is a way of improving lag on your games. That's primarily the use. And when you have exit lag on, it can increase your ping and your FPS. So you get real-time optimization, you get a traffic shaper, you get multi-internet, and an FPS boost. If you're interested, then you can get exit lag, and we could just take a look here at the pricing. So you can see that there is, if you go for the annual subscription, then it comes down to about $8.33 per month per player. If you go with the monthly subscription, it's about $13. So essentially, exit lag is not free. You can take advantage of the free trial for 3 days, but if you want to use it consistently, then you are going to have to pay a subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.